when I discovered that I would be moving from Gauteng to Cape Town, I started pushing quite hard for us to use webinar technology so that I could still be part of the team in Joburg. And
Thank you, Cathie. It was a good idea.
We found that now that we're all working from home, this has become an absolutely amazing tool. Can you give us some ideas of the different ways that we've used it?
Well, we've used them to impart knowledge generally in terms of what happened during this lockdown, and some of the government outreaches that we've had to put together rather quickly so that people could understand how to use them. We've used them as paid seminars, done free workshops, and then we decided to start the Free at 4 workshop and webinar concept, where we have been covering lots of different topics and are taking that forward now into a whole stream of discussions around why you would go a particular route, if in terms of, for example, if you look at next week's one, where we're discussing outsourcing, and one of our panelists, in fact, is Richard Curry from Curry's Air, who's one of our outsourcing clients. So that, for us, has really been, I think, a good idea to bring a group of people together to have a discussion which isn't so much definitely a sales pitch, but really allowing people to think about what their various options are.
I know the ones we've been having with one of our suppliers of hardware, ZK Accsys, have been popular because the thought of having a reader actually take your temperature as you walk in is something quite novel to us all and extremely helpful.
Very, and particularly added to your temperature, that it knows, can recognize you with a mask on. I think it's phenomenal technology. And again, that has formed part of our Free at 4 sort of series and been very well supported. Sometimes simply as a fact-finding mission, where companies are trying to understand the details of how something works, and others because they know that this is something they really want to get and want to find out more about it. So it's using webinars as a way to get to a number of people at the same time, I think, is we've been finding very effective.
Great, thanks.